In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an email in Outlook. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook in the search bar and click the official Outlook site from Microsoft. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your mailbox. Once you're in, navigate to your inbox so you can see your messages. Choose the email you want to duplicate and open it so the full message is visible. It's best to open the message rather than copying from the preview pane, because that ensures you grab the complete content, including formatting, images, and links. Click once inside the body of the email to place your cursor there. This tells Outlook that you want to work with the message content, not the list of messages or the sidebar. Now select everything in the message body. On Windows, press Ctrl and A together. On a Mac, use Command and A. You should see all the content become highlighted. If you accidentally select the entire page or navigation, click back into the message body and try again. With everything selected, copy it to your clipboard by pressing Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on a Mac. A quick tip: if your email includes images or rich formatting, this copy command will usually preserve it. Next, start a new email. Click New Mail to open a blank Compose window. Click inside the message box so your cursor is ready in the body of the new message. Paste what you copied by pressing Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac. You should now see the entire contents of the original email appear in the new message. Take a moment to skim the paste and confirm the layout looks right. If the formatting doesn't look quite the way you want, you can use your editor's formatting tools or, if needed, paste as plain text and restyle it. Keep in mind that copying the body of an email doesn't automatically bring over attachments or the original subject line. If you need those, reattach files manually and type a subject that makes sense for your duplicate. Also, be careful not to include any sensitive information you don't intend to reuse. That's it. You've duplicated the message by copying its contents into a fresh email, ready to edit, address, and send. This approach is quick, reliable, and works consistently across browsers. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part to follow along at your own pace.